guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Vaishnavi the Kitchen Chef. In today's video, we are going to make spicy, tasty and crispy spring samosa. The ingredients for making the filling are roughly smashed boiled potatoes, chopped onion 1, chopped green chilies 2, curry leaves few, chopped garlic 3, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, fennel seed 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon and salt for taste. Take a pan, add oil, add cumin seeds, fennel seeds, chopped chilies and garlic, curry leaves and stir well. Now add onions, add salt, chili powder, garam masala, turmeric and mix well. Now add the boiled and smashed potatoes. Now mix all the ingredients well. And now the filling is ready. The ingredients for making the dough are maida 1 cup, corn flour 3 teaspoon, oil 3 teaspoon, jeera 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon and salt for taste. Take a plate, add maida, corn flour, salt, jeera, garam masala and mix all the ingredients well. Now add oil and mix well. Now add water and make the dough. After making the dough, add 1 teaspoon of oil on top of it and rub it nicely. Cover the dough and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Take a small portion of dough and roll it. Now cut the edges to get a square shape. Now take a small amount of filling and place it at the top. Now tap the edges with water to seal the filling. Now give it a small roll and seal the filling. Now cut the remaining portion as shown in the video. Now slowly roll it till the end. Now join both the edges and make it into a circle and cover the edge with a strip of another piece of dough. Similarly, make many more spring samosas. Deep fry the spring samosas on both the sides from medium to lower flame for 10 minutes. Finally, the spring samosa is ready.